Firstly, I would like to thank our Pioneer residents for the love, support, and encouragement the past 5 years and helping us see through many of the programs, improvements, and activities in Pioneer constituency. In the last 5 years, together with the residents as well as many of our community volunteers, we have focused on what we call care, connect, and create. These three are the three pillars and tenets as we do things as one Pioneer together. In the area of care, we have rolled out a whole series of programs and in the areas of supporting our residents in healthcare, in uplifting them through education, through legal support, through employment as well as employability programs to upskill them, as well as managing the rising cost of living. In the area of Connect, we have reached out through activities, programs, seminars, and screenings, etc., to help women, families, youths, and of course our senior citizens in Pioneer constituency. And in the area of Create, we have managed through the various whole suite of improvement programs, from linkways to upgrading projects, as well as various enhancements to better the infrastructure and the living environment for our Pioneer residents. And we have made an extra effort to focus on sustainability and really, trying to get everyone, all hands on deck, to help not just build a great environment to live and play in, but also a sustainable one. And over and above that, I think the most gratifying thing and most edifying thing in the last 5 years, having partnered and served in Pioneer constituency, I think my biggest takeaway would be the relationship that we forged with our community volunteers as well as our residents. But what's so special in this past 5 years is I recall in the very first year I did house visits to every household and block in Pioneer constituency, and in that conversations, in that engagement, we managed to recruit many volunteers because many of our Pioneer residents have many talents. From lawyers to accountants to digital marketers to chefs to sportsmen, and to some of our stay-at-home moms and retirees and young parents. They come with them many gifts and talents and strengths. And lo and behold, now it's 5 years later, and many of them have stepped forward. And I think the most gratifying thing is having seen them in their homes, but now coming out of their homes to serve in the community. And I'm glad that we have many community volunteers. They've done many nice programs, activities to better serve and benefit our residents in Pioneer constituency. A big example will be many of the youths that step forward. A big thank you to them, because many of the things that you see in Pioneer, including many of the videos, the clips, whether on Insta, on Facebook, they are actually done by residents who are volunteers and community volunteers. And the many open houses, Eco-Fest, and many of the programs, and really nice to see many of them stepping forward. I recall also another major program, our Legal Employment and Employability at Pioneer, LEAP for short, which we rolled out exactly 5 years ago. Today, the LEAP is running in motion. Why? Because many of residents will step forward then. For example, the lawyers who run our free legal clinics, our legal primers, as well as creating a lot of opportunities for residents to get access to legal help. Today, still going strong, and all powered by our residents. So this for residents by residents kind of motto lives on, and this Pioneer Together spirit has been a very, very edifying, very satisfying one. And not just in Pioneer constituency, in Parliament, in the last 5 years in particular. Many of you know I served in the labour movement for the past 23 years. I've been a strong champion and advocate for workers, and in the past 5 years have given a particular emphasis on certain segments. As some of you may not be aware, Pioneer constituency has many professionals, managers, executives living in Pioneer constituency. In the last 5 years, we have I personally lobbied and advocated for many of the policies to impact workers, especially professionals, managers, executives, from employment laws to the recently announced Workplace Fairness Act. And this morning, we just announced the Job Seeker Support Scheme, sort of like an unemployment support for Singaporeans and workers in general who are involuntarily unemployed. This is something which I've done and I've lobbied for almost a decade, and I'm glad to see its fruition this morning. Over and above that, besides workplace fairness, supporting through Job Seeker Support Scheme, as well as many of the employment laws and reviews, there's also Skills Future and Skills Upgrading and Training. Something many of you will know. I've been always watching this space quite closely, because I think that's how we ensure our workers stay ready, relevant, and resilient. And not just workers, but residents in Pioneer Constituency. So we have brought these many Skills Future programs, job and career fairs in the area of employment and employability to help them to be ready, relevant, and resilient. Ready with the new skills, relevant for the new jobs, and resilient to the many changes, particularly during this period of time when there are a lot of uncertainties and challenges. So constituency in Parliament, and I hope for the support of our residents to journey with you together in the next 5 years, and I ask for your support so that we can see through some of these plans that we've done and build on those things that we have done in the last 5 years in the areas of care, connect, and create, so that we create an even better environment for all of us to live and play in. But more importantly, also in Parliament, continue to lobby and be a champion for workers, including many of the professionals, managers, and executives. Thank you.